we will be firing the Walther Rain bullpup 25 cal. Those kind of things. I count 8. There must have been one hit 2 times in there. Well, there you have it. I don't like the way they had this mounted. Had like some screws inside just going through it and it rattled. Put some clamps on it. My run cap or my start cap was just hanging in there kind of. So I mounted it right here. But I took a look inside it. Oh yeah, and I took and put a lighter to them fins and I bent them over. Very precisely and carefully. I tweaked each fin. It pushes more air, I do believe. They were just flat fins, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Peace out, happy shooting.